Picture yourself in the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado HD. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, alarm, Wi-Fi hotspot. Control the job without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Get into the all-new Silverado.